Hey, what's up guys? As you can probably tell from the title, you already know what's gonna happen. It's a really good day. Inside this bag has been a lens that I've been wanting for a long time. It's probably my favorite focal length, and today I just want to do a quick unboxing, kind of like a first impressions, and talking a little bit about why I chose this lens and why it's specifically one of my favorites. Before this, if you've been following this channel for a while, you would know that before every gear unboxing or before every gear talk, I like to mention a few things. And the first one is I don't buy or I don't subscribe to the idea that gear doesn't matter. I think gear is an integral part of every single story, video, photo that you take, and expensive gear can help you get specific shots. Faster lenses can get you shallower depth of field, and whatever people say, yes, you can get shallow depth of field with f4. It is not as easy as shooting with, for example, an f1.4. You can't get this with, say, a 16 to 35 f4. You just can't, and it's important to understand that gear matters, but that shouldn't stop you from going out to shoot. It shouldn't stop you from going out to create things that you want to create, even though you don't have the best gear out there. It's fun to look at gear, but always remember that you need to constantly be working hard before you can get all of this. So that out of the way, let's go straight into this unboxing of this, like, oh man, I'm just so crazy happy right now. Bam! Canon 35 1.4 Mark II. This is the version 2. I have shot with the version 1 before and I love the focal length. This is actually not something that I bought. This was actually a long-term loan for some assignments that I'm doing. So thank you so much, Canon Malaysia. Brand new lens, by the way, but it's a loan for like the next 6 months. So I can sort of call it my own. But yeah, I thought we'd just unbox it together. So really quickly, we have your warranty and whatever. We have this bag that, you know, your lens. First thing, lens hood. Now, one thing I want to know. Yes, this lens hood does have like the velvet felt inside. Not many of the newer EF lenses do that, so it's nice to see that. Will I be using this? In my opinion, the 35mm lens hood is probably one of the ugliest ones next to the 24mm, but hey, a lens hood is always better than none. We come to the baby in the center. Oh, this is a heavy lens. Let's get it in focus first. Yes, this is a lens, man. Canon 35mm 1.4 Mark II. This has been a lens I've been wanting for so long, and it's such a blessing just to have it right here in my hands. Ooh, lovely piece of glass. Let me just put it on the camera. So I have my EOS R with my other favorite lens, 50mm 1.2. Always love that sound. First impressions, the lens is honestly longer than I expected. It's like, it extends pretty long. If you compare to like the 50 1.2, that's like this. It's like half the size. It is a little bit front heavy, I feel, but oh wow, the focusing ring is nice. It's nice. Very well dampened. It's a similar build to the 85 1.4, which also has more of a plastic body finish rather than like this 24mm right, that's shooting me right now feels a bit more like sturdier, but that's alright. So the reason why the 35 is most probably my favorite focal length of all time is basically it's because, especially when you're shooting landscape, horizontal, you can really go close to your subject without causing any kind of distortions. This focal length is a very intimate focal length. It feels like you can really connect if you're close without causing the subject to warp a little bit. Now the 24mm is my third favorite lens. I love the wide angle look, but sometimes it's a little bit too wide till it causes distortion. Unlike the 35, it's a very pleasing focal length to look at, and that's why I particularly like this lens specifically for the kind of images and videos that I shoot. They're very, I like very intimate handheld, like in your face, but it doesn't cause you to be uncomfortable. It causes you, it's a very natural kind of look, and that's why this 35, I've now added it to my arsenal, even if it's alone. Man, super excited to be creating and shooting more pictures with this, especially video. If you have any questions, do let me know down in the comments below, or if you can follow me on my Instagram. I have two. One is dedicated to photography, and another one is just dedicated to behind the scenes camera gear, as well as learning photography and filmmaking over here. Catch you guys in whenever I post a video. Take care so much. I really appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.